Now, welcome back to the shit show, and check it out. We got a storage unit full of junk. And will we find anything good? Stay tuned to find out. Now, it all started with a truck and a dream.
And now we make thousands from other people's junk.
And wait until you see what we found this week.
We own a junk removal company.
And people pay us to haul their junk away.
And the secret is, it's not always junk.
And just this week, we walked away with over $5,000 worth of hidden gems.
This business is like a treasure hunt every day. So if you want to see more, make sure you hit like and subscribe. So leave a comment and let us know, are we going to find anything cool in this huge pile of junk?
So check it out, I got the JoJo's next Valentine's present already. Some free chocolates, oh yeah.
So this storage facility calls us up all the time to clear out their units. And sometimes it's good, but this just looks like a pile of junk. But you can never judge a book by its cover, because sometimes we found cool things in units like this.
Now here's the backstory on this unit. So what happened was some old lady stored all of her stuff here, and I guess the grandkids ransacked it and took all the tools, and that's why it looks like this. To me, I don't know why you would pay some money to store this stuff, so I'm thinking there got to be something good. And JoJo, look what I just seen right there. A bicycle. We'll let you know what kind of bicycle that is here in a second. Oh yes.
Now you'll often find old records in storage units. Now, usually they're junk, but look online, because some of these are worth money, especially the known artists that recorded things before they were famous, like when Elvis recorded at Sun Records.
Oh, we hit the jackpot. We hit the jackpot. What are these right here?
Oh, cool.
What are these?
Keep them. One of those was a Jefferson, so.
Now, I just found a couple pieces of silver, and let me tell you, gold and silver is at its highest right now. Now, gold is at $3,600 an ounce right now, and silver is at $41 an ounce. And check out what we found last week. This is all real sterling silver. And one thing you definitely want to do whenever you find any silverware like this, you want to check the back of them and see if they say 925 or sterling on them. Because if they do, guess what? They're real silver.
A long time ago, on the back of sterling, they would put symbols like a castle and a lion, along with others. So make sure you're on the lookout for those symbols when you're looking for real silver.
And that's easy money in the bank. Now let's see what else we can find.
To remember, never put a price on junk. When you go and bid a storage unit, charge what you charge per full load. And if you find something cool, that's just icing on the cake.
So check it out. I found the Julio JoJo. Check him out. Looks just like him, huh? So check out what I found, a swim bait, JoJo. It's about a $5 swim bait right here.
So we found this thing full of lead. It's so heavy, I cannot pick it up. Let us know. What do you know about lead? How much money could we get for this much lead?
And I would say it weighs anywhere from 50 to 60 pounds. And check out this. I told you there'd be something good in here. Ooh, wait. Putting that in my back pocket, JoJo. So check out what the JoJo found.
And just so you know, the boys, Julio and Jared, are in Petaluma tackling 2 full loads this morning.
And if you can see, we really getting money out here in Sonoma County. And JoJo, we still got about 75% more trash to go. So check it out, I found a back brace in that pile of trash, and I can use it for my back titties. Let's take a look. My back titties hang kind of low to the floor. Oh, look at that. Oh shit, JoJo, it barely fits me. Oh my gosh, the dad bod's for real. Now, JoJo, this is how I looked back in the day. My head was shaved, right? And my pants were sagging with my ass crack hanging out about 10 years ago. Oh my gosh, what a dirtbag.
Times have changed.
Now, if the JoJo was gonna cheat on Mr. Vic, the only man in the world that would have a chance would be Mr. Elvis Presley.
Well, it's one for the money.
So check out what we found in the unit. Really old coins. And JoJo, these do not look that old. But I was wrong, because some of these coins are from 1919 and some from the 40s.
So you never know what you're going to find, because in a unit where we thought we would find nothing, we found something.
So what do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. What do you think these are worth?
So we are about halfway done, and we haven't come across anything super cool yet.
20 minutes later.
So I take that back. I'm going to take a second, look him up online, and see if he is worth anything. So the first load is done, and then we'll be back for round 2.
So halftime's over, and let's see if we can find anything cool in this pile right here. We're still on the hunt. We're not giving up yet. You should have heard what the JoJo said right now. She said, "Oh my gosh, Matt, I've never seen so much junk in my life." Did you not just say that?
No, I mean, obviously, we're junk haulers, and we see junk every day. But I've never seen, like, so much just junk in a storage unit. Usually there's at least, you know, you find something cool. But so far it's been nothing but garbage. Like, you would just throw it away.
Womp, 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 womp. Don't be so negative, JoJo. There's something good in here, trust me. So check it out, there's hella bike frames here. There's one right here, one over there. This one right here is a piece of crap. And then there are more bike frames right here.
Leave a comment and let us know, what are the most common things you find in storage units?
So this lady was definitely a hoarder, no doubt about it. I still can't believe she was paying to store all this stuff here. It is crazy. So guess what? I found a fake quarter. What the hell? It's a fake quarter, Joni. Look at that. What the hell? See that?
Fake? Like, is it metal?
No, it's plastic.
Oh.
Fake money in here. Oh my goodness. So the JoJo dodged a bullet. You see that right there? You are a lucky woman.
These boots, I step on nails sometimes, and these boots are awesome because look how long that is. And I did not feel that.
Lucky.
So what do you think, scale 1 to 10, how bad is this unit?
I would say it's about 3, as far as, you know, it was bigger than we thought, and just really piles and piles of trash. It doesn't stink though, so that's a plus. But I highly doubt we're gonna find anything super cool from here to there, because we haven't yet.
This has to be one of the worst storage units we ever cleaned out. Here's a find. It ain't that cool, but it's kind of cool, I guess. It costs $8 at the Goodwill, and I don't want that shit. So time is running out, viewers, if you can see. So we better find something cool in here.
Okay. We found something cool. I'm gonna look online and see how much he goes worth. He's very different. What do you think he'll sell for?
So here's a pretty cool find, a 1971 Pillsbury Doughboy. Check him out. I'm gonna look this thing up.
So actually, I just discovered a limited edition Barbie from 1959. And she is in here. And it looks like she's never been taken out. I'm gonna look her up and see what she's worth. Because some Barbies are worth a lot of money. So whenever I find keys like these in a storage unit, I'll put it in my pocket and I'll save it until we're done cleaning out the whole storage unit, because you never know if there's like a cash box or some sort of, filing cabinet or something that this key goes to. So 2 loads are done, and this is what's left. About a quarter load of more junk.
And also over here, we got a load of metal.
Now, there wasn't really much of anything that was worth something in this storage unit, but wait till we get home, because we're going to show you something we found last week that you'll love. And when it comes to finding cool stuff, this is probably one of the worst storage units we've ever cleaned out.
So check it out, me and the JoJo got a load full of metal. We get paid for that, and then we got a bunch of lead right here, and we'll let you know exactly what we get paid for that. And JoJo's probably right. There probably is around 60 to 70 pounds worth of lead right here.
Yeah,
so
it's heavy.
We'll see what we get paid.
$23 for the metal and $30 for the lead.
Now here's a recap of everything we got out of that unit. And it was not that much stuff, around $200 and something worth of hidden treasures.
So now let's take a look at something really cool we found last week.
So we got this wood chipper from a doctor, and I can't believe he paid us to take this. It's worth around $1,200. And at the same job, what did we get?
We found a TV that was worth over $3,000.
So check this out. Now tell me, is that TV not the baddest TV you ever seen in your life? Now sometimes you underbid jobs and you don't find cool stuff, but every week is different. This job right here was a horrible job to do, and we underbid the job by a half load, and we didn't find nothing good, but that's part of the trash business. It happens.
And if you want to learn more about how we make money picking up trash, make sure you subscribe to this channel and watch this video and this video. And if you haven't yet, grab your tickets to the Junk Expo, where you can come and meet us and grow your junk removal business. Here's a couple that went last year, and they're coming again this year.
Hey guys, it's Tanya.
And Chris.
The Clutter Reduction Junk Removal here in Palm Beach County.
And this year we're going to be going to the expo in Sonoma County. Now we went last year as well. And the great thing about these kind of expos is that it's a massive networking event for people who are literally in your service industry, not just in service in general, but in junk removal. So if you've never gone before, I encourage you to go this year. It's going to be twice as big, which means twice the opportunity to learn. And what we recommend you do is to write down your struggles, write down questions that you have, and when you go there, make it a point to ask as many people as possible, especially people at your level or just a little bit above, and try to get some answers and find out the ones that would be most relatable to you, or which ones that you can apply for your future operations.
And find us on YouTube at Clutter Reduction Junk Removal.
See you there.